Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are back at Epcot. It has been a hot minute since we've been here. We are here today to check out the all-new gift shop that has just opened up in Future World. It is the official replacement for the old Mouse Gear gift shop, and it is called Creations. So I'm very interested to go inside and check it out and see what is new in there, and possibly purchase some all-new Epcot merchandise because this is my favorite Disney park. And also, with the addition of the Creations shop, we have Club Cool that has just reopened as well in a brand new location with a brand new design and new Coke flavors. So I'm excited to head on in there and check that out. We might get a couple rides done today, but after this video we are heading on over to Universal Studios for another night of Halloween Horror Nights. But enough of that, that's something for another video, for another time. Let's head on inside. Now you see, I would have been here earlier at Park Open to experience all this, but I did know that it was going to be really crazy and there was going to be a lot of people here with a lot of cameras and it was just going to be really nuts. So I figured let's just go ahead, wait till a little bit later to go and experience it, and now that all the cameras are really gone and it's just the regular day guests. Once again, we're finally able to walk under this breezeway and there are a lot of lights in here. Holy cow, I can't wait to see this all lit up at night with whatever they're gonna have going on. This is gonna be really cool. But as you guys can see, this is a very, very lengthy line over here. That's just to get into Club Cool. So, I'm gonna have to wait in that. But there is no line to get into the all-new Creations shop. So, let's head inside. So I'm not really here too much to focus on the new merchandise, but rather to just look at the brand new store. But if I see any merchandise that I like along the way, I'll be sure to highlight it. Like these tank tops, for example. They seem pretty retro and I'm kind of digging it. I really do like this tank top, I honestly do. It's a very stretchy material, I will say, so I don't know if it's going to like compress. Like, it's definitely not going to be stretchable, that's for sure, because I like to stretch out my shirts. It all depends on the material for me personally, but they do run up to a 3X. I'm very tempted, but I will say it is $36. I know it's kind of hard to see. Yep, there you go, $36.99. Very tempting indeed. I am also very pleased to share that earlier today there was a picture shared on Twitter of an eBay scalper who had like a wagon full of these shirts. I'm very happy to report that they are fully back in stock and it looks like they still have plenty left. So I really like these Epcot ears and I might actually pick some of these up. They are $40, they're $39.99. They do light up, but something that I wanted to point out is that they come all with these little black bags, and I was curious, so I opened one up. Look at this, it comes with a little charger, so these are rechargeable ears. That is very interesting. Instead of running on a regular battery, you can just plug this in and charge it up. That is so interesting. They're just giving away little USB chargers with all of these. That's cool. And look, here's an example of one that's already lit up. You can see the light really emphasizes along the edges over here and along the Spaceship Earth looking, whatever you call these shapes. Moving on in towards the back of the store, I do gotta say that I like how wide open it is. Oh my goodness. Take a look at these reflective jackets. I'm not a fan of the material, I will say. Like, this material down here, this white material, is fine. Let's see, the inside, like, there's no like lining on the inside, so the outside white material, it feels fine, but this other like reflective material is really stiff and I don't particularly care too much for it, but I overall really like the design of this jacket, and if they had one in my size I would probably totally buy it. The pros outweigh the cons on this one. Like, you guys can follow it on the camera, look at how reflective it is. That actually looks really cool. By the way, this jacket is $80. Oh my gosh, check out these hats too. Oh my god, I really like this. Holy cow, and it's reflective too. Ooh, tempted. Very tempted. Well, I was going to show you the price of these hats, but I've picked up 3 so far, and all the prices are torn off, and I don't know why. Well, it doesn't matter how much they are. I tried the hat on, and it doesn't look good on me. I'll put a picture in over here and show you guys. I did not like the way it looked. That is definitely not me, so, pain. Excuse me, ma'am? Where did you get those? How much did you pay for them? I want them. I'm gonna have to put in a video over this from a video that I saw on Twitter earlier where these shelves were empty. Everyone was coming in and grabbing as much as they could. All the eBay scalpers were running rampant, but I'm just very pleased to share that everything has been restocked. So I'm very much so dyslexic, and my mind thought that said something else. All right, so I am now out of the Creations gift shop. I did buy one shirt. I bought that tank top with all the multicolored lines on it, and I never put 2 and 2 together until the cast member at the cash register told me that the shirt matches the construction walls that are around Epcot, and it's like fitting in with the new theme. So that's really interesting. I never even noticed that, and I think that just makes it just a little bit more cooler, and hopefully I can wear that tank top the next time I come over to Epcot. Let's go ahead and head on over to the lengthy line that is for Club Cool. All right, heading on in. And this is very interesting. I definitely feel like it's a little bit smaller than the old Club Cool that we had, but I do see a lot, and I mean a lot, of drink stations, which is really cool to see. You can see they stretch all the way down this far wall, down in that back corner. Also, the best part is being able to walk in here before the floors get all sticky, because if you've ever been to the other Club Cool, then you know the floors were extremely sticky in there. All right, I'd just like to point out that I'm an absolute moron. A lot of you guys already know that. This is the drink stations over here. That's a mirror. That is a mirror. From the angle that I was at, it looked like it went all the way down further, but that's just a mirror. Okay, so not too many drink stations. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 drink stations, it looks like. Yeah, 6. Interesting. Like, to be fair, come on. That looks like it goes all the way down. All right, we made it. This is the moment of truth. We have all the different flavors over here. First things first, got to start off with the Beverly from Italy. We have Bonbon Anglaise from Madagascar. From the Dominican Republic, we have the Country Club. That's easy enough. Minute Maid Joy Apple Likey, okay, from Korea. The Philippines, we have Royal Watermelon. I think I'm gonna like this one. This is another infamous one. People are calling this the new Beverly from China. I've heard someone say that this is basically barbecue sauce but carbonated, so I don't know about that. We have Sprite from Russia, and then something called Viva from Moldova. I'm excited to try all of these, but first, gotta try the Beverly. All right, first things first, Beverly. I haven't had this in like, what, 2 years now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's Beverly, all right. Next up we have the Bonbon Anglaise from Madagascar. I don't know why that tastes like bubblegum to me. It tastes like bubblegum. Not bad. I still got a little taste of the Beverly in my mouth, which is throwing things way off. Next up is the Country Club from the Dominican Republic. Ooh, this one's good. Oh, this one's really good. Next up, we have the Minute Maid Joy Apple Likey from Korea. It's not bad, but it's also not my favorite either. Definitely almost like carbonated apple juice. Next up is the Royal Watermelon from the Philippines. I thought I would like that one more. I don't care too much for that. Very strong watermelon, but it's also really bitter. No thanks. Now, time for the infamous China one. It says sour plum flavor. Oh boy. Oh my god, it does smell like barbecue sauce.
You tried to do barbecue, right?
It smells like barbecue sauce.
It tastes like it too. Don't spoil it.
Oh my god. Oh god, nope. Nope.
He poured it out.
I took one sip and poured it out. Couldn't do it. Ah. All right, let's get some Sprite from Russia. I should also point out the Sprite has a picture of cucumbers on it, so it does have a slight cucumber taste. Anything here is better than the China though. I don't care too much for cucumbers either, so that one wasn't my favorite. Last but not least, we have the Viva from Moldova. It's okay. I think the Country Club from the Dominican Republic is my favorite, if I'm being completely honest. I'm gonna go for it again. Yep, the Country Club is definitely my favorite. That's the fruitiest one and the sweetest one. I like that one. That is your quick review of all the different flavors that can be found at the brand new Club Cool. Of course, as with anything, all reviews are just my opinion. You, of course, got to come down here to Club Cool yourself and try everything out on your own, because my taste buds might be completely different from yours, hence why some people love Beverly and other people hate it. Everyone's different, so come on down to Club Cool and try it for yourself. One last little detail that I want to point out is that the outside of the Club Cool entrance, it looks like the outside of a Coke bottle. Just a random side note for you guys, I just had one of those real carbonated burps that went right up to my nose. Ugh, burned. Ugh. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that is gonna do it from us here at Epcot, checking out the all-new Creation Shop and Club Cool. So overall, my thoughts on Creations, it's not Mouse Gear, and it doesn't have the same charm and the same cuteness level as Mouse Gear did. It just doesn't scream Disney to me. This feels more like a Target inside of Epcot, but I will give it props for how visually appealing it is and how contemporary it feels and how wide open it is. I will say, compared to Mouse Gear, I got lost a lot when I was in Mouse Gear, and it was very easy to get lost. But in here, you have to try to get lost. It's very difficult to get lost in this store. Everything is labeled, and you can pretty much see from one end of the store to the other, and I very much so appreciated it. So for what it is, it's nice, it's new, it's fresh, and it will keep Epcot going in the direction that it's heading. And also for Club Cool, it's nice. I am sad that they got rid of all the old flavors except for Beverly. Everyone would have thrown a fit if they had gotten rid of Beverly, even though no one really likes it. It's just kind of the thing for Club Cool to have, but it's still there. But anyways, I'm sad that my Bebo is gone. I loved Bebo. But some of these other flavors are pretty good too, and I'm sure that there's a specific flavor there at Club Cool for everyone's taste. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I can't really tell if it was a long video or a short video. I did get a lot of footage. We'll see how I edit things together. But anyways, I'm gonna head on home now and edit this video and hopefully have it out for you tomorrow. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a like if you enjoyed and drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought of today's video. Huge shout out once again to our Patreon supporters. Without you guys, this kind of content would not be possible. Link to that down in the description below if you guys want to pledge your support to the channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video.